So today I'm here to introduce you guys to our new hand sanitizer dispenser. I say sanitizer dispenser because it is completely automated and there are some specialities to these sanitizer dispenser because it is 100% sure that it won't false trigger in any circumstances. And I have seen other sanitizer dispensers that are false triggering when it's hit by sunlight, but this one does not do that. And also when you wave on it, it won't trigger. Only if you intentionally keep your hands, it will trigger. And also the amount of liquid that comes out from each trigger is a particular amount, because we can adjust it as per our needs, and it won't be wasted like any other sanitizer dispenser. And also the installation of this dispenser is very easy, because you just have to wall mount this particular piece here, and you just have to hang this one here. And the capacity of this dispenser is 1.8 liters, and it comes around with a price of 5,400 for 6 month warranty. And in this warranty period, if something goes wrong with this one, we will definitely replace with a new one, and I'm sure that nothing will go wrong. And also the sensing range can be also changed according to your. Okay guys, so now you have seen the product, and the specialty of our product is it's completely made in India, and the major specialty of our product is the sensor that we are using. That's particular sensor that we have made ourselves, and one of the other YouTube have reviewed our sensor, and I will link the review video in the description, so you can check out our sensor in that. And it's 100% sure that there will not be any kind of false trigger, and also there will not be any leakage or any kind of loss of sanitizer, because only a particular amount of volume will be dispensed out, so there won't be any kind of wastage. And also we are giving like 6 months warranty for 5,400 rupees, and it's complete warranty, and like we will replace it with a new product. And also like for 5,900 we are giving a 1 year warranty. And also one more thing, after the sanitizer use, you can also use this dispenser for your soap, like soap liquid dispenser. So I hope you guys like the product, and for any kind of queries or any kind of, if you want to know about more about our product, you just can call in the number that I leave down, and we are taking in orders. And thank you so much.